Making a difference. Unlock the power of your actions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase in the English language: make a difference. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning English. It's about appreciating how your actions can impact the world. So, let's dive in and discover how you can make a difference in your life and the lives of others. The phrase, make a difference, implies causing a change or effect that is significant or noticeable. It's about altering a situation in a positive way, big or small. When you make a difference, you contribute to changing something for the better, whether it's in your community, in someone's life, or in your personal growth. Make a difference can be seen in various contexts. For instance, personal impact. Volunteering at a local shelter can make a difference in the lives of those in need. Social influence. Starting a recycling program in your neighborhood can make a difference in environmental conservation. Workplace contribution. Mentoring a new colleague can make a difference in their career journey. In each of these scenarios, the phrase highlights the positive change or impact resulting from an action or initiative. You might wonder how you can make a difference. Here are a few tips. Identify your passion. Understand what matters to you. Your actions are more impactful when they align with your values and interests. Start small. Remember, even small actions can create big ripples. Begin with simple, manageable steps. Encourage others. Share your journey. Inspiring others can amplify the impact of your actions. When you make a difference, it's not just about the immediate impact. Your actions can inspire others to act, creating a ripple effect. This chain reaction can lead to more significant changes and benefits over time, often beyond what you might initially imagine. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every one of us has the power to make a difference. It starts with believing in the potential of your actions and understanding the impact they can have. We hope this video inspires you to take that first step and see how your contributions can change the world. Keep making a difference, and see you in the next video.